I'm here to help. We're going to make the paper airplane today.
So you should tell Alex.
First, we're going to fold the middle line into 2 equal sides. We're going to fold the top, right and left corner.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to press it in. This is called the center crease.
Oh.
We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Make sure they're equal. If they aren't, try making it like this to see if it's equal. If it isn't equal, try doing it again. Make sure to make it into the center like this. Then after that, we're gonna fold this part. We're gonna press this down. Gonna do the same thing for the other side. After that, you're gonna fold this like this. Measure 1.5 inch on your ruler. Then you're gonna make it like this, open like this. The same thing on the other side as well. And there you have it, your paper airplane.
Yeah.
Okay, stop the video.